Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Core. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the game turbo of features, what you will be getting in this Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 device. As you can see friends, so right now I'm using the Redmi K40 but which is also called as the Poco F3. So let's see in this phone what is the latest game turbo version you are getting and what are the features you are getting in this phone. So meanwhile, I did have the Mi11 with me, so maybe I'll try to see whether the same features are present in the Mi11 and in this phone or not. So in that way we'll get to know whether we are having the latest version of the game turbo in this phone or not. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more interesting videos, and also do comment below what are the other comparisons you want me to do. Definitely I'll do my best, and follow my playlist of the Poco F3. You can find so many useful videos which are uploaded on the Poco F3 device. So in the special features you will be finding the option called game turbo. So let me try to enable the sound. So whenever I open the game turbo, you will be getting some kind of sound. As you can see friends, the same kind of sound effects is present in the other versions and in this version, so there is nothing much change over there. And one new thing is that these are options where you will be getting friends, as you can see. So if you are seeing this kind of option, that means your phone has the latest game turbo features. So normally in the other old versions you won't get any this kind of customization options, so which will be very much useful to customize more in depth about the gaming. As you can see, there is a lot of things you can play around: GPU settings, additional settings, touch response, all those things, as you can see. So all this is even available in the previous version, but this GPU settings is not available in the previous version. This additional settings is available in the previous version, but GPU is not available. You also get the same different kind of customization option, high quality, custom quality. So where in the custom you can select what type of frame rate you want the game to be at. You want 120 fps or you want 90 fps. I'll try to test this kind of custom refresh rate in another video, so make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly in case if you want to know more details. But these are the few options you will be available here, and if you go to the settings, these are the same kind of previously available settings as well. So there's nothing much change. You do have this 5G network optimization because of the latest 5G version which is available in this phone. So increase the connection speed by 10 to 20% connected to the Redmi routers. So for me doesn't have any kind of Redmi routers. So right now let me try to start playing the game, so you know exactly what we are getting on the game turbo toolbar. So this is the game turbo toolbar friends, which I'm getting on the top. So same kind of interface is present, so there is nothing or change over there. And right now this game is playing at 120 fps. So let me try to start playing the game, so you know exactly what kind of fps I'm playing. So right now you can see friends, 120 fps I'm getting the gameplay clearly. So same kind of features is available looking at the GPU and the CPU. So nothing much got changed here. Everything is gonna be same in this phone, as you can see friends. So overall the gaming performance is also pretty good in this phone. I am only worried about the heating of the phone. So it's getting a little bit kind of much heat for only short term of usage. I'll try to do more details on that particular topic. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. So as you can see friends, the gameplay is really good and much interested gameplay here in this phone, which works perfectly alright. So thank you for watching this video friends. That's it for this video where I thought of just demonstrating you the game turbo features. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.